Do you need to get out there yourself? Like I speak to a bunch of guys that are doing this, like go out to China, feet on the ground. Do you need that to
I
really
mean,
get a product?
it probably depends on your scalability of production. Like, if you're working through Sourcify, we handle that for you. If you're working through big trading companies, they'll have people on the ground there too. But I would say, for me specifically, I started out on the ground floor in China. And, I was there in high school. I had that experience. Have a bunch of friends across the country there now. And so I would say if you utilize, a platform like Sourcify, you don't have to go over there. I will say as you grow, it is cool to go over there. And I think everyone that does business in Asia knows that it's fueled by relationships. So if you can go over
Mhm.
there and make that face-to-face relationship, the factory is probably going to start treating you better than some of the other buyers. And when, lead times are going to be important for your company, it can make sense to buy a ticket over there and go over there. If you guys are in Guangzhou, definitely stop by our office there. We're always happy to have people in. And so it's just kind of a dynamic of when you start out, maybe it doesn't make sense, and it doesn't necessarily make sense all the time as you grow. But if you are really looking to cut costs or having struggles with negotiations or lead times, it can make sense to go over there. But I will say, I think people are always surprised how not only just culturally different China is, but a lot of people there don't speak English well. Even though they study it through high school, their English ability isn't there. So I would highly recommend going with someone that speaks the language, or going and having fun. It's an amazing country, and the
Mhm.
growth there, the growth of the country has been incredible.